Hey guys! It's me, Che, and for today's video ay magpapagupit tayo dahil medyo mainit at malago na ang ating buhok. So, let's do the challenge. Actually, na-challenge lang tayo. So, let's do this. So, ayan. Ito yung before ng ating hair at magpapakalbo tayo for the second time. Actually, this is my second time. Kaya, medyo hindi na ako masyadong kinakabahan. So, huwag natin patagali pa. Let's go! Hi, Kuya. Hello, Kuya.
For radiant skin in as early as 7 days. Say hello to beautiful, clean, and bright skin from Nivea.
Hi, Justin.
Oo, masyadong nipis.
Actually, second time magpakalbo. Masyadong mainit kasi. Ano lang talaga to, na-challenge lang.
Sana pumasok ka ng Wednesday.
Ha?
Sana pumasok ka ng Wednesday.
Papasok ako. Bakit? Tala niyo kayo lang ha. Let's do this.
Ayan guys, ito na ang result ng ating pagpapagupit. Press ko na sa ulo at malinis tingnan. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. It's me, Che.